Hey friends, welcome back and thanks for watching. Today I wanted to do some last minute gift ideas all from Walmart because to be completely honest, I'm seeing a lot of really good, if not maybe a little bit better pricing at Walmart than Amazon. And honestly, they do have like 2 to 3 day shipping. You can get something same day delivered. You can do a pickup. And I just find that to be really convenient, especially this time of year because I am not going in store. But I also don't always trust that shipping is gonna arrive on time. So definitely make sure you add to your cart, check out, and either do like in-store pickup, drive up, or you can do delivery directly to your house within that same day. So we'll go ahead and get started. Everything will be numbered up on screen and linked in the description bar. Number one, I actually grabbed this, so I have my laptop right here. This Nintendo little Game Boy set, I actually grabbed for Sam. It does look like, just based on the product image, that this also comes with those little like cards, that like Zelda game, which actually was a game that my husband used to play, but he has mentioned a couple times like seeing this on a social media, and so I snagged it for him because I just feel like he would absolutely love Legos. And honestly, like as someone who never thought she would do any kind of creative hobby and now is into needlepoint, I actually think Legos seem very interesting too, so I might do this with him. Number two are these sensory balance beams, and I find these to be really cool. So it's a 10 pack. You can see the photo of the child on the rectangle, then they have the like zigzag formation. The box itself actually has a couple different formations in it, and then you can see like a texture on it. I really, really love any sensory toy, but I also love anything that is going to promote balance, promote thinking, promote learning. And for our boys, like promoting balance, especially while they are at bike riding age, I think is really important. And this is kind of a really cool way to hit that mark too. I do also want to note, usually with my videos, I like to keep things a little bit more separate, with like tech being in a section and toys being in a section, but I have found that like so many things work for so many different people. So that is why these are all kind of lumped into one. Number three, this Hot Wheels little dual dragon set. The boys actually got a Hot Wheels dragon last year that was completely different from this, but they love it so much that when we were like, what do you guys want us to ask for Santa for you this year? They were like, the dragon is so cool. So we got them this. It's like kind of a two-parter. You can pull that little blue dragon off of the red, stores up to 20 cars. So it's kind of like the same concept, but a little bit different. So if you have someone who is into Hot Wheels, that's definitely cool. My brother-in-law was into Hot Wheels for so long. So my boys have loved them since they were like 16, 17 months old for such different reasons. And now that they're 2 and 3.5, like they still love them so much. So I think that's a really, really good one. Number four, this is actually a Black & Decker junior set. So it's like plastic little power tools, and the boys are all about playing like tools, playing like they're fixing things and helping their dad. So anytime he pulls out his tools, they're always in what he's doing. And I think this is a really cool way for them to feel like they are really involved. They really have their own stuff, but it's not a dangerous literal power tool. You know? Number five, these come in a variety of colors. So you can get some that are just the blue microphones, some that are just pink. They have some that are blue and pink, purple, green. They have all the things. But this is actually a little mini karaoke set, and it comes pre-made with 20 songs. So you already have 20 songs on there that are really popular, or they can sing themselves. But I was kind of into my singing phase, like well into, I might have even been like 12 when I was still singing. So I think that this is a really broad age range gift. And I got the pink for my niece. I got the blue for my boys because they're all about to singing right now. And I just know they're going to love it. Now, number six, drones. I've mentioned this in a couple videos now. Every single man that I know that has a drone is completely obsessed with it. I don't know any women that have drones, not to say that they don't, but I'm definitely saying in my experience, this is a great gift for the guy in your life. And there are so many different price points, styles, kits, things that you can get with them. I find that kind of all of them have the same thing though, a remote to control it. It does look like that's the person's like cell phone there. So it like connects to your phone, charger, a couple little extra pieces, and then a carrying case. And then you can look within your budget. This one is pretty affordable compared to some others. But my dad, literally, we went to a Christmas party the other day and I was like, Dad, please put the drone down. And I looked up and he was like, okay, all right, well, this is my drone. Wait, that's someone else's drone. There were like drones everywhere. I was like, can you guys pay attention? Pay attention to the parade. Number seven, also wanted to include these Legos. So you do have regular Legos that are for, I think it's like, it says 18 plus, but you can, as long as your child just knows not to swallow them, Legos are fine. You have Duplo Legos also though. In my opinion, those are a little bit more expensive, which which I guess can kind of be up there, but Duplo Legos are specifically designed for very young kids. They are dishwasher safe, so you can throw them in the dishwasher. They do not, like, they can't be swallowed. They have done a lot of tests on those. I talked to a lady at the Lego store. She was like, we take that very serious. We take cleaning serious. We know how important that is, but Duplo can actually connect to regular Legos. So it is something that can evolve with your child. But you do have also these like little Blacktron Lego kits. So I don't know. Just keep seeing Legos everywhere, especially this year. So I wanted to include some. Now, number 8, this is actually just a bike with training wheels. This particular brand though, I keep seeing everywhere. I don't know if this is a brand that's like got ads running. I don't know what the deal is, but I do know that I have seen this one over and over, not just online, but actually at my Walmart too. So I think they do have a pretty broad range of size and height options for bikes. In my opinion, and at least at looking with bikes, height is the most important thing, not necessarily weight, height. That's gonna be what matters when it comes to finding the right bike for your kid, because that is ultimately, the height to seat versus foot pedal ratio. That's pretty important. So you can't go wrong with a bike. I think it's such a good gift. I always loved bikes when I was a kid, and I feel like it's a great time to like upgrade if your child's getting a little bit too small, but that brand in particular, again, I'm seeing a lot. Nespresso, such a universal gift, you guys. My friend got me on, I think it's called like the festive pack, and there's one particular flavor in there, and it's like a limited edition. And I was like, okay, well, if it's limited edition, I need to like restock right now because it's so freaking good. Nespressos are so delicious, and you can get a couple different models. Personally, I'm someone who like, I just need my hot coffee in the morning, like just a good old cup of hot coffee with creamer. But I have been doing a double shot of espresso with a protein shake and my colostrum, and it is the most delicious drink ever. So that's why I use my Nespresso. So lots of different varieties and things you can get. But I mean, honestly, we've had ours for, at least 4 years. I think Ezra, I might have been pregnant with Ezra. Might have even been before that, at least 4 years, and it's so good. Number 10, we have the AirPods. I believe this is the 4. And I always say this, like, I find that if you go down one model from the most recent launch, maybe even 2, you're still getting an incredibly high-powered, very high-functioning item. That's not the most expensive thing. Like, I'm not someone who, like, I need the newest model of everything. Like, if it's just a pair of headphones, like, when an AirPod's in my ear, you're not going to know the difference from 4 to 6 until it comes probably to features, which to me isn't the most important thing. So definitely depends on who you're purchasing them for, but I think just a good pair of AirPods never goes wrong. Number 11, I felt like this was a really good price for this cast iron Dutch oven. They have 5.5 quart, and then I didn't see any other sizes in this particular color range. So they have blue, red, and gray. Beautiful. I think Dutch ovens are very universal, and I think we're seeing these a lot more now than maybe we've seen in the past, just because I think sourdough is something that like everybody's doing, and I'm pretty sure this is what you cook your sourdough in. I personally don't do it, but it's pretty cool. Number 12, so the Oura Ring price I did see was kind of the same across the board, whether you go to Amazon, Walmart, Target, wherever. But the price changes depending on the color, meaning the silver at Target, Walmart, and Amazon are the same price, and the gold at Target, Walmart, and Amazon are the same price, but the silver and gold are different. So gold is just a little bit more popular. I personally loved my Oura Ring. It could detect when I was sick before I was even getting sick. I felt like for overall steps, overall health. I never, ever, ever, ever recommend something like this if it is just your one way of tracking your cycle in order to prevent pregnancy or try for pregnancy. I always recommend doing like, I can't even remember what it's called because it's been so long now, but like the just OG method with the thermometer. I think that's definitely the most accurate way. Anyways, all that to be said, especially if you're trying to avoid, I don't recommend it for that, but I loved it for every other thing. However, with weightlifting, the metal bars and just how thick that ring was, it did not work with my hands, and I got blisters that turned into calluses, and they were so painful. I tried different fingers, gloves, covers, all the things, and it just didn't work. So ultimately I did decide weightlifting is more important to me than, overall this wearing this Oura Ring and scratching it up. So I did decide to stop wearing mine, but I do still recommend it. It just didn't work for the actual workouts that I do. Number 13, this is like the Meta, I think this is called the Meta Quest eye cover. Basically, this is like, you feel like you're in the 3D world. I get motion sick, so this does not work for me. In fact, if I think about it too hard, this will make me motion sick, but something that's really cool for people who don't. I really envy you, I do, but it just like makes me a little nauseous. I know that that's a popular gift, definitely a little up there in price, but one that I'm seeing a lot of people talk about. Now, number 14, if you know someone who they just got married and they don't have a full set, they're moving in together and they don't have a full kitchen set, Carote is an amazing brand that is really good quality, but it's not an insane price. So this I think was like a 21 piece set. You even get a couple spatulas, a couple little hot plates in there. I find their stuff to be very easy to wash, kind of universal. Lids will work for multiple things. You can put it, in the fridge or the oven or the stove, even the dishwasher. So I really like just overall how they've designed these. And again, a really good price point. Number 15, the Beats headphones. These are definitely more expensive than the AirPods. Beats is such a good quality brand. I think it really just depends on like what you're looking for, what style, and also like what the person's into. Like some people just like Beats. Some people just like, Apple products to go along with their Apple stuff. But again, for me, I don't care. But these do have that like kind of hook around the back of your ear. And then they had a few different colors, but I felt like the orange was really cool. So I did want to include these. Number 16, this little like puffer bag actually looks very similar to the Free People one, but I've seen it in person and it's a little bit smaller, which is good because I'm telling you that Free People bag, it is like Mary Poppins bag. I love it so much, but dadgum, you can actually fit everything and the kitchen sink in there. So they have a few different colors and I feel like this one's just a little bit better in size. It's not as big, but still pretty big. It does make for a great like gym bag if you have someone who's looking for that, or a great just like everyday tote. Now number 17, I'm including this because let me tell you, y'all are eating this one up. And I was really surprised because I loved this coat, but I felt like the colors of it are pretty unique. And I was like, they probably will want the solid gray one more. My girlfriend Kayla has the gray one. Like I even have the gray one, but y'all are loving the blue and green, or like the blue and dark black with like little hints of green in it. Y'all are loving this plaid coat so much. And it came back in stock in a couple colors. I think the red, orange, and pink one is fully out of stock, but they do have a few different colors. Again, just kind of like reload, see if they have it locally or if you can get it shipped. Sometimes the Walmart website can be a little bit just like glitchy, but definitely check out and see if it's in your true size, which is what you need to get for that one. Y'all are eating that coat up and I love it, but I just did not realize y'all were gonna love it that much. Number 18, I love a good solid, plain, simple sweatshirt. This is Reebok for men's, but I, of course, would wear it too. And I would probably still size up just to make sure it covered my booty in leggings. They have a lot of different colors, but it did look like across the board kind of a great price point. They all are very simple with the little logo on it. Nothing special, but a good, simple staple item. Now, the RTIC travel mug, one of the things I liked about this is it's 16 ounce, but it has a full handle. So it's a little different than just like the regular 16 ounce travel mug. If your guy or girl likes a handle on their mugs in the car, which sometimes can make a difference, I think this is a really cool one. They had so many different colors, and I actually really like to get Sam travel mugs every year in his stocking because I think like he doesn't buy himself those a lot, but he uses them so often. So that's a really convenient gift for him. And then number 20 is actually the Awala water bottle that one of my girlfriends who's a teacher has said she actually sees a lot of where she lives. So Awala is a really good brand. They are just like all the other water bottle brands in the sense that they make a good quality product, but they do have so many different sizes and colors. So definitely look at what's right for you. Number 21, I always get requests for a affordable ice maker. And this one is from Frigidaire, which definitely I gravitated towards that because Frigidaire is a great brand. I've never had an issue with any Frigidaire appliance that I've purchased. This one does look like it is a little bit more compact than some others, but it can make like 33 pounds of ice. I believe it was like the way it was worded, it was like 33 pounds over a whole day. So if you were to keep like emptying it, it can really shell out a lot of ice, which is convenient for people who host a lot. Does come with a scooper, looks like the water tank's in the back, so pretty straightforward. Now, number 22, I wanted to link. I did look, Kendra Scott does sell some things through Walmart. This pendant necklace in particular was a top seller of mine through an Amazon video, but it actually is sold out through Amazon right now. And then you can get things from Kendra Scott, but I'm pretty sure we're within the time frame where you would need to pay for rush shipping, where Walmart, you may not have to pay for that rush shipping, could still get it like 2 to 3 days. So that is why I'm including this one, but definitely like a top clicked, top sold item. I was very, very impressed with this one. And I personally love Kendra Scott jewelry because it is pretty high quality for such a good price. So I wanted to include that one since it is sold out on Amazon. Number 23, I actually have this sweatshirt in 2 colors. I only have a picture of me in the blue mountain one though. It is the coziest, softest sweatshirt, pullover, whatever you want to call it, ever. And one of the reasons why I actually grabbed this in yellow is I was like, this is perfect for those mornings when I'm going to the gym. I want something I can throw on, and it's just like my gym pullover, and I still need it to be warm, but work and not be too bulky. Like, I don't want to take a coat to the gym. So I don't know. I feel like this just checked all the boxes, but I was able to size up one. And again, it does still cover my booty and leggings. Lastly, this massive faux fur throw. I have it in like the gray color and then the ivory color that you guys are seeing. And my mom, she's a blanket person. And when she came over and saw this first time, she was like, where did you get this from? And I said, Walmart. And she was like, send me the link right now. And she got two. We are blanket people. And this is definitely one that like we kind of fight over in this house because the boys are blanket kids. Like, they definitely love blankets too. And I gotta say, this is definitely one we get a lot of use out of. It washes and dries so easily. It doesn't like dry funky where like the faux fur on it almost looks like it's matted like some do. Just so cozy and such a good price point. Now, I do still have a few last minute gift idea videos coming your way, but you guys, we are getting so close to Christmas. I cannot believe that. We have finished Christmas shopping, but we do still have, Sam and I have our stockings to do this weekend. And then after that, we're done. It is absolutely insane to me that we are even here, but I'm so grateful for you guys watching my videos, supporting, clicking the subscribe button. I just love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Mwah.